Are security fears stealing your productivity? Data theft, unauthorized access, and information leaks are on the rise. And it's not enough to just hope you don't get hit. Vulnerabilities in poorly secured printing devices can put the data they process and the networks to which they connect at risk. Human error and carelessness can also leak confidential information, but data also needs to be readily available to the right viewers to enable productivity. Creating the right plan for your business can feel like a daunting puzzle. Where do you even begin? Don't be afraid. Partner well. Work with a partner that has answers to your security questions and fears. We can help you raise your productivity while showing you how to manage risks. The key is to prevent exploitable opportunities, protect recoverable data, and create a security strategy that accommodates how people really work. If you have concerns, reset to Ricoh. Talk to your sales professional about the devices and options that can give your office a solid foundation and peace of mind.